Here's your chicken and broccoli fettuccine pasta.
Is that cheese?
Yes, I believe so.
I can't have cheese.
Oh, yeah, I'm so sorry. I should have asked.
No,
Sorry.
no worries. Thank
I'll bring it
you.
right up. All right, here you go. Chicken and broccoli fettuccine, no cheese.
Does this sauce have dairy in it?
Yes, I believe so.
I'm so sorry. I can't have dairy. I'm lactose intolerant.
He should have known,
Oh my
right?
gosh, no.
Did you say no dairy?
No, I said no cheese.
All right. Chicken and broccoli fettuccine, no cheese, no sauce.
Did I not say no broccoli?
Chicken and broccoli fettuccine with no broccoli.
I don't eat chicken.
Chicken and broccoli fettuccine, no cheese, no sauce, no chicken or broccoli.
Can I just have raw pasta?
Raw pasta.
This is gonna break my teeth. So can you just, like powder it a little, maybe blend it up?
Blended pasta.
Can I actually just get the pasta in its natural raw form?
Wheat.
Is wheat gluten?
Are you serious right now?
I can't eat gluten. I'm so sorry.
You want like a bowl of ice?
Ooh, yes.
Ice.